Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon.
So welcome back. So I am very happy that today we have one of the successful participant. He is a retired senior professional, work into PSU oil company for 35 to 40 years, and he decided as a part of his second career and also manage his personal investment to do a CAP certification. He successfully completed CAP certification with me last year. I think January, May 2015. Okay, and I thought that let me get this opportunity, because as I was telling yesterday, CAP is not limited to basically independent financial advisor or corporate advisor, but if you are an investor, so it is a primary job as an investor. You should know where to invest or where to find good people or how to filter and have a relation with the good people, so you end up with a suitable product. And second, even those who are the retired people, those specifically retired from example banks or maybe PSU bank or maybe from some kind of finance function. I am not expecting any retired person can be a CAP and start career into financial planning as a IFA. But those who have worked in finance, for them it would be age, or even any retired person can think of it, because again, as a retired person, you have to manage your finance for post-retirement. So there is a challenge is that you have a limited fund and you have to ensure that the limited fund will generate the income. So you have to identify suitable product. Okay, so that's how you have to learn as an investor. So if you have learned as an investor and if you start practicing and earning the extra income and as well keep yourself engaged as per your convenience, so that would add as a good opportunity. So I request Bhatia sir to share about his professional background, what motivated to do a CAP certification, and what kind of personal or professional benefit you have you can say derived from the certification in last 1 year. Sir.
Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon, sir.
I retired in 2014 February after 32 years of service in HPC Hindustan Petroleum. I was working as a senior manager corporate strategy when I retired. I am basically a BE mechanic with all management qualification and industrial engineering. Now we got a big sum of money at the retirement, which is your correction from PF, as well as you get gratuity, you get encashment of leave, you get a lot of other benefits also at the time of retirement. So it becomes a big responsibility to manage the fund with the reducing interest rate all around the place. That time, of course, immediately my concern was how to use my time. So I had joined some other group where all specialists used to come and teach us. That means only say LIC person will come and teach you LIC. Like specialists used to come there. But at the end of the day, I realized that when I want to inquire about something, I am not in a position to get data from them. Because all are employed professionals, and they come, they take your 4 to 5 lectures and then they go away. So when I appeared for one of the paper, I realized that it needs a lot of effort, more than what we have been doing earlier. So, but I came to know through one of my colleague only that Mr. Kayusha is taking this classes, and he is also having a system where he gives you CDs. And then those CDs are, you have to do at home. So I said, what better way of doing the course than going to class, then coming back, traveling for a long distance. So I had come to him that time. I had completed one of the paper only. So he conducted a little test that time. Then he said, okay, this is the thing. These are 13 CDs I will be giving you. You have to take as a whole. And coincidentally, he also gave me this facility of paying in 2 installments, which I will say very thankful to him, because nobody gives you all these facilities. He understood my position and gave me the benefit of payment in 2 installments. After that, though, there was no going back. I started working, and there were 5 papers. This was a new concept for me because sitting at home and going through all these CDs. But then I realized he's a dedicated person to CFP, and he's also recognized trainer by the CFP. And whenever I had some issues, I used to send him a message and he used to fix the time, and accordingly we used to discuss the thing. I went through all the CDs. It gives you lot of detail, plus there is a question bank and there's a financial calculator, which is very important tool in this CFP. If you want to be successful, you have to understand fully well this financial calculator, which sir has explained in one of the CDs very clearly, are various steps. So that helped me a lot, because even though this subject was totally new for me, taxation, I never did taxation. I never did insurance. See, insurance, what happens, practically in the day-to-day life we take insurance, but that is money back or something like that. But then when you do this it's a professional course only, where you understand the need of the family or need of the personal requirement. One thing is there, after doing CFP, I have no hesitation in doing any financial job or any assessment of financial tools like bonds or even mutual funds. Today, after completion of this course, though I am not practicing in detail, but I am definitely enjoying the benefits of this course, and I am also, day to day, I am like, this is part of my life only. Every day when I open the Economic Times, I see what are the areas like shares you have to buy. Then what are the types of shares. Again, you have listed share, unlisted shares. So by joining this course with Kayur Shahji, I got a lot of benefit, and I think credit goes to him because I could clear it in spite of my non-financial background. And his when you see CD, you realize that it is just like in class. What he does in the class, everything is there. So I don't need to make any, And other thing is, you can do at any time of the day. Suppose this time at 10 o'clock you feel, okay, I have got 1 hour, so you go through it. Again 3 o'clock also you want to see the thing, then CD again, you see. So this way I completed, I think, about 2 months continuous effort I put in for this course. In the final, of course, every stage, taxation paper is separate, your retirement benefit is separate. So like that, the main thing is he's totally dedicated to this training, as well as in this, he's of course, I think, approved trainer by the FPSB India, and his interaction with them brings a lot of new points in the course or outside the course. So this was a very good experience for me. And of course now I am into all the things, like I am also doing for mutual fund for me, like bonds. Again I carry out this shares. This is my position. I am fully satisfied. Of course I am not earning outside anything, but maybe in future we can definitely 4-5 people join together and start a business also like that. Of course I am open to all the ideas. To even make a company and work for it. So this is the background. Of course, I retired in 2014, and now it is 2016, and I never felt the that I'm not doing anything or anything because of this working environment, this CFP systems and all that. Many people find it difficult to pass time after retirement. But in my case, after 32 years working, it's very comfortable now, even though I'm at home, but I can get involved into various
engagements.
Yeah. So I think I wish you all the very best. And thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir. Thanks for sharing the nice presentation. Any question, queries, those who are presenting
You are too young, I think. I'm too old for you people.
Definitely, we can learn from our senior only. So Nagesh, you are representing regular pathway aspirant. Samir, you are also representing any query questions. Okay, what kind of difficulties or what you would, any question if you have any in mind. Nihar, Amit.
See, this is online exam, so when you appear also online system, you have to get acquainted. Plus your calculator, you have to be very. After my, I think I was the second or third candidate in my group who cleared it, and people have been after that asking me, taking consideration what will be the strategy in final exam, how to go about it, which he also explains to us during the CD's presentation, how to go about it. It's not easy, course definitely, because first 4 papers are 2 hours papers. So when first paper I realized that I have not even completed 60%. But then after that I prepared in such a way that I was in a position to complete, I think.
Good, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for
sir.
coming
Yeah,
here
thanks.
at a short notice and sharing your valuable experience.
Yeah,
sir.
thank you,
This
sir.
is a strong moment from all of us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Keep
you,
in
sir.
touch. Okay,
Yeah.
and sure, if any opportunities comes, definitely we'll try to have some kind of association.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to all of you.